today's spring activity, we're going to use something that's super simple to use. It's open-ended and your kids are going to love it. It is super easy to set up, so let's get started. We're gonna do a process art activity. So we're gonna need some food coloring, some little cups or a plate. I like to use popsicle sticks, and we need some school glue. You can have little bottles or a big bottle. I'm also covering my table with some butcher paper because this is where the activity is going to be. And you can find this at the bottom of your Amazon store purchases or at your local craft store. You can use a cardboard box or a thick paper so that they can do the activity. And this is called color glue. So we all know kids love glue, but do you know that they absolutely love color glue? So I'm going to start with only 3 little balls of glue, because if you mix the colors, then new colors will come up. So I'm gonna do blue, I'm gonna do yellow, and I'm going to do red. And with my popsicle stick, what I'm going to do is I'm going to color the glue. So I put my drops of food coloring, and now we have different colors. And for my third one, I have red. So now you turn a boring glue into something fun. And we're just gonna let them, you know, spread it. Maybe you have some buttons or pom-poms. We're gonna let them draw and color. Maybe if we mix, we make new colors like this purple. So we're working with science, right? We have yellow. Look how pretty that is. And maybe I can grab some petals or some leaves. Sorry, little Matita. And we can make little designs. So I love it because it's a very open-ended. You can do a lot of things. You can mix, let's see, we haven't made maybe this color, right? You can use it as a science experiment, and you can create new colors using glue. And glue is something that most of us have. Look, now we have green. So I can spread green, and I can just freely let them explore. You can go get some leaves from outside, maybe some pieces of paper, maybe some sticky notes. Let's see what we have, right? Maybe you can just use sticky notes, or maybe you can use leaves. And then we can just create our own little collage. This is an open-ended activity. It's open play, it's free to use. And when you're done, just grab this whole thing and throw it out. It's not something that usually we would keep and dry, but if you do, leave it outside for a few days and the glue will dry all puffy and big and bulk, and it's gonna be an amazing texture. So have fun, and I'll see you tomorrow for our final challenge.